everyone, this is Vishaka here, and today I am coming with another very interesting topic. And before that, I am welcoming to you all to my channel, The Source of Success. And here I am telling about 7 chakras today. So let me tell you about the chakras. So according to yogic philosophy, chakras pronounced as chakra and often translated as circle or wheel, and this circle or wheels refer to the centralized location where the energy stores, and these energy channels these are also known as nadis. So mainly there are 7 chakras which we have to explore soon to understanding ourselves deeper. These energy cycles or these energy channels are helping so much to knowing ourselves deeper and inspire us to understand ourselves, and they inspire us and knowing particularly what we really want in our life. So the first chakra is the root chakra, and also it is known as Muladhara, and it is located at the base of our spine. And when we connected with itself, we have to say that I am connected to the earth, I am strong, and I am stable. And the second chakra is known as the sacral chakra, which is located at our pelvis. And when we connected with this chakra, we have to say to ourselves that I am creative and I am a being with ultimate potential. And the third chakra is known as the navel chakra, which is situated at the center of the navel. And when we connected with navel chakra, we have told to ourselves that I am confident, I am strong, I am powerful, I can handle anything. And the fourth chakra is known as the heart chakra, which is situated at the center of our heart. And when we connected with, we say to ourselves that give love to receive love and be loved. Fifth chakra is known as the throat chakra, which is known as Visuddha. Visuddha is mainly for to purify. It is situated at the base of the throat. When we connected with this, we have to analyze that I speak my truth and I live my truth. Coming to the third eye chakra, which is our sixth chakra. It is a command chakra and it is very important, located between eyebrows. And when we connected with this chakra, we have to analyze that I am open, institutive, and self-assured. Final chakra, which is known as the crown chakra, and it is our very important chakra. It is also known as Sahasrara, which means 1,000-petaled lotus. And when we connected with this chakra, we have to analyze and say to ourselves that I surrounded to the wisdom of pure conscience. Hope you like this video and even applied these 7 chakras to explore soon. Thank you.